Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Charlotte and this is the School of Pattern Cutting. Today I'm going to talk to you about the why and how of using blocks. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell below so you'll never miss a thing. So today I'm going to talk to you about different blocks, which ones I use, which ones you might want to consider, and why you use certain blocks. So some of you might have drafted a block and hated it, it's quite time intensive, or you might have adapted a board pattern which fitted you and you use that as your basis. And that's all what a block is. It's just a pattern which fits you really well. It's really basic, so it hasn't got lots of seams, it's just got the minimum shaping, your darts. It fits you, and that way you don't have to draft each garment from the beginning like a big drawing. You can just lay your block down and you draft your pattern from there. So it's much faster. It also means you know it fits you every time because it's a tried and tested block. And I've just chosen 4 of my favorite blocks, and I just want to show you why you can use different blocks and what the purpose of it is. So the one I use 90% of the time is my basic bodice, and you might have seen in my drafting videos I actually got a version without the waist, where it finishes at the waist, because 90% of the time most of my manipulations takes place above the waist, and then below the waist I put a seam in or I just extend it. But all it's got is a dart for the bust and a dart for the waist and my notches, and it's really basic and I know it fits me. It's not too tight. But for example, if you are really into occasion wear, it's worth doing a really fitted dress. And you can see that's the front. It's really fitted, and then it's got a separate side panel. So this is great for any sort of wedding style, really fitted prom dresses, because if I use the basic bodice block, I will have to take out a lot of ease because this fits like a skin. So that if you're really into making occasion dresses, really fitted dresses, it's worth actually draping a block on your mannequin or yourself so it fits you like a glove. And that's a really long one, and it's done as panels because then you can always chop it off, but you got that fit. Another great style is the raglan or batwing style, which is great if you're just gonna make loose styles. It's one block, it's one of these clever ones, but it's got an option for a yoke, it's got an option for an armhole and an option for a raglan. So it's a really hard working block. So if you're into looser tops and dresses, that's a great one to try out. And then the next thing, on Saturday I'm actually going to show you what I think is the most useful block adaptation, which is how to actually take the bust dart of your basic bodice block. So if you're not yet ready to draft a specialist block, this will just give you a lot more options because it will take it from fitted to semi-fitted or unfitted. And I can show you an option, put them side by side. So the one without a dart is just slightly wider, just slightly looser fitting. It's still got the waist dart, but you can wear without a bust dart. So it's a great block to have, and I'm going to show you how to adapt your own block on Saturday. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy your drafting.